Here we are in...
Are you smarter than a scientist?
These are contestants.
Matias Montemayor.
Ana Karen. Guy.
Right now, today's topic is the human body. Our contestants are sure to know the answer by heart. So, let's get started with the questions. What are the organs that are used for the digestive system? Put them in order. Well, if it's correct. Okay, Matthias?
Yeah. The epiglottis.
Can you show us with the, yes, okay.
Okay.
The mouth, the epiglottis, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the liver, the lung, the kidney, rectum, and anus. Okay. We have a question. Why would the lung be?
Oh no, the long guy, you just put it for extra.
Wrong, so another
Wrong.
person can get it.
Okay. Anna Karen, what's next?
She got it.
Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. We're looking for a larger scene of the...
What they proceed.
The mouth, the epiglottis, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the big intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Correct.
Oh, you got it.
Okay, may I ask what the epiglottis is for?
So the food doesn't go to the lung.
So the food doesn't go to the lungs. Right answer.
Actually, it's a flap that puts the food this way and the air this way.
Well,
that also
although
makes
that
sense.
is correct, Gabby has already won the point.
Yeah, so like.
Okay.
Now,
Next question.
next question. What are the organs that create supplements such as enzymes, bile, or other acids for the digestive system?
Oh.
Okay, the liver and the pancreas. Are you sure you're not missing one? Okay,
Okay,
Matthias.
the liver, the kidney, the stomach, the small intestine, the pancreas, and the gallbladder.
We're not exactly looking for the stomach.
But the
Okay.
stomach has like chemicals. And
Okay.
acids.
Matthias is correct.
No,
Indeed.
because he has too many things.
It's the liver, the kidney, the stomach, the small intestine, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. Now, please tell us what the liver, kidney, pancreas, and gallbladder do.
They all provide like small like acid and chemical liquid stuffs to help the digestive system.
Correct.
To chemically break down
Yeah.
the food.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, Matthias, you have an extra point.
So I have two.
No, you have one.
No, we have to.
Okay. Next question. What is the name of the acid that is created in the liver and is concentrated in the gallbladder? Think about it, contestants.
No.
The sulfuric acid. That is incorrect. Now we'll have a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enzyme.
No contestant got the answer. The correct answer was bile. It's a green
That makes sense.
acid that is used in the stomach and the small intestine to break down pieces of food. Now, to the next question. In the small intestine, there are small things attached to tubes that eat and absorb the nutrients of the food, and they're later taken to the blood system. The villi! Correct! Gabby has another point. And Karen, you need to start gaining up. If not, you're gonna lose. Okay. So, we've already seen the digestive system. We're gonna go a little bit more into the circulatory system. Circulatory system in Are You Smarter Than a Scientist? Now, Just remember not to be so stressed. We don't want you to have a heart attack. Okay, contestants. Oh. Where is the oxygen exchanged with carbon dioxide? We want to be a little bit more specific, contestants. In which part of the lungs?
Oh my god, this is hard.
In the alveoli! That is correct, Anna Karen. You have won an extra point. And in the alveoli, the oxygen is exchanged under what process for an extra point? Only Anna Karen can answer this. Under what process?
What? You cannot.
The
5,
4, 3, 2, okay.
diffusion.
It was through diffusion, Gabby. You are correct, however, you will not gain any points. Now, we'll go to our next question. What are the things that the circulatory takes all around the body? Blood cells.
Yeah.
Yes. But what do the blood cells carry?
Blood.
What does the blood carry? Nutrients. Expand a little bit more on that.
Mitochondria.
No, not ADP. We're looking for things. Do you remember the Bloodmobile song?
The Bloodmobile.
Mobile. Now, what are the things they mentioned in
The Bloodmobile. The Bloodmobile.
Hormones. Keep on.
The hormones are the message.
The trash. They said something like
Trash, yes.
Somebody's got to haul out the trash.
Keep on a little more.
Begin in the heart's right ventricle and travel to the lungs. Red blood cells get oxygen to
Hormones, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients. Correct. Matthias has won another point by saying, what does the blood cells carry in the bloodstream to deliver to other cells? Okay. Matthias, would you want to explain?
So the system carries blood cells, hormones, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients. It carries all of that throughout the entire body, and it picks them up at different places of the body. So like yeah.
Correct. Now, we'll ask a little bit more about the bloodstream. Now, can you draw an accurate picture of the heart and label the main parts, please? No, that is incorrect. Those hearts are not the ones we're looking for.
This is right.
Okay, Matthias. Can
So-
I have it? So here Matthias is explaining the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, the left pulmonary vein, the left ventricle, and the vena cava, the lower vena cava. This is indeed correct. Now, for a bonus point, Matthias,
Yeah.
how can you distinguish the right part of the heart with the left?
He forgot something.
What?
The ventricles.
Sorry. So
Matthias.
next time. So the left side, since it pumps the blood out, like it's like thicker because it has more muscles and it pumps the blood, like,
Yes.
and it's what then travels and out of the heart.
Correct.
So now I have 4 points. Because
Correct. Matthias right now has the win. We'll see you next time here on Are You Smarter Than a Scientist? Welcome back to Are You Smarter Than a Scientist? Right now we will look more into the respiratory system. please remember to turn off your cellular phones. Okay, contestants. Now, what cells carry the oxygen?
Good.
What cells carry the oxygen?
The oxygen cells?
No.
The blood cells?
Correct! Matthias.
You need to write it down.
Blood cells. Okay, Anna Karen, blood cells. You win a point. Although it's quite sealing, but I'll accept it. Now, we'll look further into the respiratory system. Okay, contestants. Is it true that the cells need oxygen? This is not the whole question. It's just no. True, Anna Karen, you are correct. However, I want you to explain a little bit further. Why does the cells need oxygen, and under what organelles is the energy for the cells made with oxygen?
Can we answer? Or just her?
No, it's her.
Can you ask me that again?
Yes. Why do the cells need oxygen, and what are the organelles that use that oxygen to create ATP energy?
Okay, so the organelles that use that oxygen are the mitochondria.
Correct.
Oh my god.
Yes, you have an extra point now.
So now you have 3 points. Yes. You can see it in the.
Gabby, you're falling behind. Try not to fall so behind.
It's like 2, 3, 4.
Correct. Now, we'll keep on going with the respiratory system. Please, how is the heart connected to the respiratory system? Anna Karen? Through the veins. Can you explain? That is a bit vague, Matthias.
Through the respiratory system. Through the circulatory system.
Yes,
You need to write
that
it
is
down.
vague. You can say it too. You must explain. The pulmonary artery. Explain that, please.
Well, the heart has the pulmonary artery that connects the lungs to the heart, so that when it pumps blood, it can go have oxygen go.
Yeah.
Yes. How does it further connect? What do they do with each other? How do they complement each other?
Oh, okay. So, the heart gives oxygen to the lung. No.
Can we answer?
Yes.
The heart gives blood to the lungs for it to keep working, and the lungs give the blood back oxygenated.
Correct.
1 point for Gabby, 1 point for me.
No, sorry.
It doesn't work
I'm
like
sorry, it
that.
doesn't work like that. Okay, we'll keep going. Now we're gonna look a little bit more onto everything and how everything is connected. How is the circulatory system connected with the digestive system?
Oh, we can say it or we need to write it down.
You can say it.
It picks up the nutrients from the small intestine.
Can you further that information?
So, like, the circulatory system connects to the small intestine via veins and then collects some of the nutrients which are then passed through the entire body.
No, like the circulatory system picks up all the waste from the digestive system and takes it out, and it also picks up the energy from the digestive system to deliver it to the whole body.
And you have an extra point. Well done. Matthias, try to be a little bit more informational next time. Okay. So now, how are the scores? It's 4, 3, 4, if I'm not correct. And Karen, if you want to have a tie, then you must keep going. Now, for the last question, I want you in your whiteboard. This is going to take some time, however, you should do it. How is everything connected with each other? You should draw a diagram of the whole body. Okay. Where is the heart located in your
Here, like behind the lungs, kind of. It is protected by the lungs.
Yes. And now, how is everything connected with each other?
Everything connects because first, like, the food goes here, and then the esophagus helps so the food doesn't go down into the lungs, and then after it doesn't go down there to the lungs, it goes to the digestive system where everything gets digested, and then after it gets
That's
digested,
okay. Thank you. Okay, audience. Do you think this is a good one for the extra point?
I
No. Okay.
Oh my
The
God.
audience has spoken.
Oh my god.
It might be missing some extra components that I will say in the end. Okay, and
Well,
appearance.
Okay, so this is a human body, and
Yes.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
that makes
So-
more sense.
so this is the mouth where food is chemically digested and air is breathed in. So that's where both the digestive and the circulatory system start. And then here is the esophagus, and here's the epiglottis, and then here are the lungs, and here's the heart. Yes, I'm aware that that's not what a heart looks like. And then here's the stomach, which is used to chemically digest all of the food, and like there's the biles and everything and the enzymes. And then the large intestine, the small intestine, the rectum, and the anus. And yes.
Okay, you're missing just one component, and it's very ear-friendly. However,
Kidney.
you're missing. No, it's a very important component in the circulatory system.
Well, I think I have it.
Matthias, yes.
Okay, so here all of the air is breathed in through the nose and the food is eaten through the mouth. And then as you can see, this giant thing is the heart, which pumps all the blood out into the entire body, which are then connected through veins. And here is the small intestine and the stomach, and this circle is the large intestine that's around it. And then here are the kidneys and the livers, and also right there is the lung, which is what provides the air that you breathe.
May I ask,
Yeah.
what are all these squiggly lines?
Those are all the veins and the circulatory system.
Matthias has won this point, and he is our winner for $100. Are you smarter than a scientist? Matthias, you have now officially graduated from Are You Smarter Than a Scientist? Because you truly are.
Thank you.
I would like to add a bonus and a small fun fact for our viewers. The actual heart size is about this big. You can clasp with your hands, close them, and this is about your heart size. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on Are You Smarter Than a Scientist?